sunscreen on your face? Did you say no? We need to put sunscreen on our face. It's the #1 anti-aging skincare routine that you have to do for your face. If you want to prevent fine lines and wrinkles and sunspots and prevent looking old before your time, you got to use sunscreen on your face. And I'm here to show you my favorite one, Perfectly Posh. Block it like it's hot. This is with blood orange and hibiscus broad spectrum SPF 30 face cream. Oh, that is hard to say. So this sunscreen is super awesome because it's also antioxidants for your beautiful face. That's right, antioxidants in a sunscreen. It is naturally based, good for your skin. It's super lightweight. You don't even notice you're wearing it. Your makeup will go on perfect afterwards and you'll be protected from the sun to look beautiful, gorgeous, radiant, glowing, wrinkle-free at any age. And don't forget your hands. We have to put sunscreen on our hands. So I'm going to show you. It is so super lightweight and it is for your face the best sunscreen I've ever tried. And let me tell you, I am a sunscreen-aholic. I'm very picky about my sunscreens. I don't want it to feel greasy or thick. I don't want it to have the white. You know, I like to use naturally based sunscreens, but I don't want them to be white on my face. This is your answer right here. Block it like it's hot at emeryposh.com. I have a special bonus for you, my YouTube subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and contact me. All my contact information is down below, and I'll let you know how you can get one of these for free. Yeah, we like free around here. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to pamper yourself and wear your sunscreen. Happy day! Hi, sweetie. Oh. Rue, what you got? What do you do outside, huh?
And she's also got one of my soccer cones destroyed out there.
So when you open up my back door,
every day,
this is what we have here. Does your dog have a rock collection? Because ours does. Our little Ruby likes to collect rocks. She goes outside, gets rocks, and brings them up here, puts them on the top step. And this is just from this morning.
And also,
she likes to come collect them.
And this is also what I do not like about her.
Yeah,
destroys my stuff.
Well, if you leave them outside, that might happen. You collect the rocks? You love them? She loves rocks. Oh, it cracks me up. I've never had a dog do this. He's so funny. He's so pretty.